I want us to take a peek at input and output tables. It's important for you always to look at the input. The input, that's what you start with. The output is what you end up with. In is the beginning, out is the end. Sometimes these tables are going to be vertical like this. Sometimes they'll be horizontal, and you have to look which side's the input and which side's the output. So when we have input and output tables, usually they either give you a rule and you have to figure out the numbers, or they give you enough numbers in it that you have to figure out the rule. So with this one, let's see, Mr. Mathis is creating a table to show how input numbers are changed. Write an equation that describes the pattern in the table and complete the pattern. Okay, so we've got to figure out the rule for this one. So I'm going to look at what I'm putting in, and I'm putting in a 2. So that's what they started with, 2, and then something happened to it, and we ended up with 9. Now, did our number go up or did it go down? Did 2 get bigger or smaller? Okay, it got bigger. So we're either adding or we're multiplying. So what do we multiply 2 by to get 9? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we don't. So what do we add to 2 to get 9? 7. All right, that's where we're going to start. Let's look at our next input number. It's 4, and we get 11. Let's see if 7 actually works with that. 4 plus 7. That does actually give us 11. All right, so far so good. Let's look at 6. 6 plus something gives us 13. Let's keep trying that 7 that we started with. Is it working? It is working. Our rule is we're going to have to add 7. So we can complete this. What's 8 plus 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 7, I can do that one easily in my head, 17. 12 plus 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so I completed the table, but now I have to write an equation. And that, when I do my equation, this is where I want variables. Okay, so I'm going to say, let's call this first number a variable. Let's stick a letter in there. My favorite letter is M. M, what do we do to M? Every single time to M, no matter what the number was, we added 7. When you add 7, do we get the same number? No, we get a new number, okay? And it's an equation. We need a variable in there. So I guess my next favorite variable to use, I don't think I have a next favorite, but I'm okay with Y. Okay, no matter what number we put in, we're going to add 7 and we're going to get a new number. So that's what our equation will be. Look, they used X and Y over there. I hate using X. It looks like the times multiplication, so I'm never going to use that one. Our input number plus 7, that's what we added every single time, and we got a new number. Since it's a new number, we can't use the letter M. We have to use a different letter. Does that make sense to you? Let's try another example just to see. Okay, this one we've got a pizza shop. It offers $3 off any order over $10. So we're going to use the rule and the equation to find the next 4 output numbers. We're going to look, here's our input. This is what we start with. This is our output. And when we look at this, I'm like, wait, they gave us the rule. I don't have to figure it out this time. We put in 11, we get out 3. We put in 9, or we put in 12, subtract 3, my output's 9. 14, 11, 16, 13, 18, and 15. This time they gave us the rule and the equation. Remember, when you're looking at your table, you need to go ahead and check which side is the input and which side is the output. We're going to practice in a rotation.